Good morning, guys. Good morning. How are we doing today? Kia ora, kia ora, kia ora, kia ora. Bloody crispy morning here in Aotearoa whānau, I'll tell you that much. Oh yeah. Good to see we started on time, eh, Razor? Finally popped up straight away. But so tired. Oh, is that from Mahi, my bro? About time it started on time, eh? Sorry, I had to I didn't realise I didn't change the stream category, so we were still in Gears of War. So I just had to change it real quick. Now we're good. But man, I came pretty close to playing Gears of War today. Holy shit, it's a good game. Morning everybody, this is a carport and for that reason I'm out. Okay, brother man got to announce that he's leaving the stream. Weird. Day 7 of 20. Oh true my bro, what's that for? Oh, just trading. Oh, mean my bro. Yeah, fuck, unfortunately I broke my run every day for this month record. Because I'm sick. I just woke up, bro, and my body was not having it. Oh, your workers are on holiday. Chew. Yeah, bro, my body is not having it at the moment. Let me just go and get a vest. Okay, this should have been on. Yeah, non-negotiables, but when the body said, yeah, bro. Fuck, I was so gutted. Because I've been running every day for this month. And then my body was like, nah, Bolt, stay home. War dogs, all is well, my brother, all is well. Yeah, my body was not having it, my bro. Whew. What am I looking for? Turn our other camera on. Boom. There we go. Alrighty. So our plan today for this. Carving. What we're going to do is continue with some of the little things. But we will progress to doing the face on this side as well. So we'll progress to that side sometime today. But yeah, we're just going to be going over, some of the little things that I might see that we might need to touch up before we move on. So I've turned the mic up as loud as I can, so I don't have to use my voice so much. Hopefully that's good. How long you been working on that one? For a wee bit. I had to stop doing it and do a commission in between as well. Smash out a quick commission in between, and we got that done, and now we're back on this one. It was for one of my mates from high school. How's that? It was for one of my mates from high school. It was for his wife, who's graduating from her psychology studies soon. So you're not sure how good my voice will hold up today, guys. But yeah, this is what we're up to today. This is the plan. We're gonna run this. Get the last bit of cleaning done before we eventually move on to the face, okay? Fucking hell, I do not know what is up with our Wi-Fi, man. It's not even reaching my phone of all things. Bloody hoo-ha that these things are. Just the little things that happen along the way. Okay. Alrighty, so yeah, we're just going to clean up a little bit more around here. So we're going to be around here. Going to be cleaning up around here a little bit more. In here as well. Then eventually, once we've done all of that, and then I think that's when we'll move to the face. Yeah. Mind you, I could just use a longer cord to move the modem up as well. That could, that's another option I could do. Okay, let's start, hey? Heck. This needs to be touched up. Hold up, hold up. Maybe that's awesome, beautiful piece. What do you call this kind of gift or taonga given? This is just a taonga. So what this is a heitiki. But this is just going to be a decorative one. It's not going to be named after anyone or anything like that. Because this is going to one of the bros in America. Having a bit of trouble sending to America right now with the tariffs and everything that's still on. With old Donnie. I've actually got 2 carvings that are packaged up and ready to go, but fuck, it's those fucking tariffs that are stopping me from sending them to the people that are... Oh, to the person that's graduating? So, yeah, just the taonga, just a gift. So the bro wanted to give a gift to his wife that was graduating. To acknowledge all her, you know, all her work that she's done, and yeah. What about Europe? Haven't sent one to Europe yet. Morena TikTok, how are you guys doing today? Good morning. Thank you very much, Evo. You were on 2 mil followers. Yeah, Henry. I need to do a thank you video too. I've got 3 videos that I need to do. The thank you one, and just an announcement video for everyone on TikTok as well that I'm going to BlizzCon. And my men's mental health video. I might do that after stream. Just download a Kick. Yay, what's up, brother? Yeah, that's me. Nice to meet you, my bro. Welcome to the Kick site, brother. Nice to see you, my bro. How are you? I'm just sharpening up a chisel right now. Oh, that's cool, bro. You're awesome. Unfortunately, about the tariffs, bro, and watching the streams about every day till I get a job. Yeah. Okay. It'll come, my bro. Thank you very much. Is it Kakpa for the 17 roses? Kia ora. Yeah. I got invited back to BlizzCon. So the last one I went to was the one straight after lockdown. And I got a message. From the representatives of Blizzard ANZ asking if I wanted to go again. And I went, yeah, of course. Of course I want to go. I mean, they're paying for it too, so, you know, why not, eh? The flights and the com. Yes, I've got one more announcement when I get to BlizzCon too. I can't really tell you guys here. Yeah, I'm not allowed to tell you guys here. Thank you very much, Flynn. And was that Ryan as well? I know, love your mahi tēnā koe, Purple. Kia ora, my bro. Cheer fufu. Cheer, my bro. Coda and also M, thank you very much, and Umu. Kia ora, kia ora. Yeah, so, yeah, my trip to BlizzCon is going to be all paid for, again. And I think I'm the only creator from here going, or I think I'm the only, you know, well-known streamer from here that actually loves playing WoW. Majority of them will be coming from Australia, so they'll be coming from Australia. Umu, thank you very much. And is it Alex? Hello from Scotland. Hello, brother. How are you? How is Scotland, my bro? I must say, bro, the Scots have been a vibe at the World Cup lately, from what I've seen on the news. Absolute good vibes, good sir, good vibes. Alright. Bulla from Fiji, tēnā koe. What's up, Ryan? Thank you very much, my bro. Yeah, it's been cool seeing all the positive things coming out of the World Cup, eh? That's what I've been enjoying. Thank you very much, Sean. Cheer from NZ. Kia ora, bro. Kia ora from South Auckland. Tēnā koe. What's up, TW? Cheer, my bro. Cheer. Didn't they just legalise haggis in Canada? Oh, I don't know. I'm not from Canada. Maybe we'll ask a Canadian when they join the stream. Or do we have any Canadians in the chats right now? Potentially. Kiraya, how are you, brother? Where's Kiraya, my bro? Apparently haggis is legal in Canada now. I don't know why haggis would be illegal. Isn't it like food nonetheless? Thank you very much, Archie and Jamie. Kia ora, kia ora. Yeah, wouldn't it be food anyway? Where's Kirai, Evil Gamer? Where's that, my bro? Yeah, I've got our Rode mic on the highest volume so I don't have to talk too loud, so I don't lose my voice. Yeah, so the plan today is just to do a little bit more cleaning before we move to the final part of this carving. Yeah, man, I came crazy close to just playing Gears of War today. This close. I really wanted to. Yo, what up, Danks? Kia ora, my bro. I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. You know, other than having a little bit of a flu. But, yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. Hey, man, what's your best life advice? You know, bad things may happen to us in life. But don't use that as an excuse to be cruel. You can react to it by being kind and compassionate as well. I learned that from Uncle Iro. Uncle Iro from Avatar. Man had some knowledge bangers, man. Hello, Brooklyn. Yeah, he had some knowledge bombs, old Uncle Iro. Okay. Yeah, unfortunately I broke my record. Yeah, broke my record. I didn't go for a run yesterday, unfortunately. Thank you very much, official Grain Brain, for the raid. Kia ora, Grain Brain. Don't eat yellow snow. Yeah, so it's just cleaning up a lot of little like tidbit stuff these days, or today. Joshua, thank you very much for the rose, my bro. Kia ora, Sammy, how are you? Kia ora, kia ora. Hello, Grain Brain, how was your stream? No mai haere mai, morena, good morning. My name is Rox, I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. And today, you know, we're doing a hay tiki. This is a hay tiki here that we're carving right now. And it is a gift for a chatter who redeemed 1,000,000 channel points as well. So after we do this one, then we move on to another chat redeem carving after this. And I had an idea last night. I had an idea. You know, it is because we are playing Gears of War. I am aware of what happens to Tai in Gears of War 2. And I am contemplating carving Tai in Whakairo in the art form. Thoughts? Kids programs that had the best advice in it. I don't let my kids watch TV, to be honest. Unless it's, I mean, you know, they do watch TV, but the only things we've been watching lately is Naruto. And, just some other stuff. Have you made Kratos' Leviathan next year? No, I haven't. Although me and a bro from, the bro Frugo, who is a bronze caster, me and him are gonna collaborate to do a piece too. It's gonna be an X. I'll do the handle, he does the head. And it's going to be a dwarven styled, like a World of Warcraft dwarven styled X. Thank you very much for the tiny dinosaur, Ryan. And also brother David as well. Thank you very much, Chunk. Kia ora, bro. Yeah, so we'll be doing a World of Warcraft styled dwarven X. Where's my mallet? Where's my mallet? Hold up.
I need you to oil this man right now.
Thank you very much as well, Hully. I did hear that. And also Delirious. Hey, cheer brother Delirious. Job Dead and Liam. Thank you very much for that. Aroha too. Official Grain Brain. Appreciate the gifted. How do you feel about NZ government wanting to make 60%? Oh, yeah. I've touched base on that. So, yeah, if you don't know, guys, our government is trying to sell off a lot of conservation land here in my country. And this is what I'll say. That's what happens when dumb cunts try and lead a country. Cunt is a normal word here, Americans. I'm sorry if you get offended. That is the dumbest fucking decision I've ever heard. But yeah, I mean, the party's full of dumbasses, so what do you expect? Let's just hope they fuck off in the next voting. Yeah, well, I'm going to be encouraging a lot of the rangatahi Maori to vote if they can. Because that's fucked, trying to sell conservation land. But it kind of shows, you know, I'm not trying to get political, but it kind of showed in the way they are as well. Like one of their bills was, you know, if there's a protected species in the vicinity where you want to build, just kill them. That's all they, or just unalive them, I should say. Probably going to get a warning for that. TikTok bot. But yeah, it's kind of weird that's their way of thinking about those kind of things. And dangerous too. Dangerous as well. That they would think so little of, you know, some of our native birds that we have. Like even right down to the, what is it called? That there's a dolphin here. I think it's, oh, I can't remember the bloody name of it. Maori's dolphin. There's only 50 of them left in the world, and they're trying to just let people do the, what's that, trawling? Yeah, that. Yeah, there's only 50 of them left in the world, and you know, as hard as they try to, you know, get them back up, it's just, you know, it's like 10 steps back with them. Thank you very much, Ethan. Ethan, and is it Silver Sive? Probably as well. Kia ora, kia ora. Yes, I'm genuinely not a fan that that's what they're trying to do with all the, you know, conservation land. But yeah, I touched base on it, and yeah, I'm not a fan. Not a fan. And looking at the maps where they're trying to sell off the land to, my hometown is in some of those red zones. Yeah, unfortunately. So that's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy. Bro deserves the world. Oh, too many problems in the world, my bro. Yeah, I don't know about deserving the world, but let's just hope, you know, we can all come together to make the world a better place. Because at the moment, it's a little bit of this and that. Looked up the haggis situation, then meet the Canadian Food Inspection Agency. Oh, really? Yo, well, thank you for the Optimus Prime, my bro. You should be the king. Nah, I'm good. Thank you very much, Just That Guy, for the watermelons. Kia ora, my bro. How's the TikTok connection? Is it okay or is it bad? I'm not actually sure. There you go. It's kind of bad. Yeah, I don't know why. Damn it. I can normally tell when a TikTok stream is bad nowadays. Because when everyone stops talking, I'm like, I think it might be lagging. Thank you, Bart. Cheers, my bro. Okay. Just had to extend this hand out a bit more. Yeah, we've got full bars on the Wi-Fi and it's like really bad. Thank you, Bart. I might actually sharpen this up too because I need this. Hope everyone's Sunday is going good though. Hope you're all having a solid Sunday. What you up to today, Nicatude? Is the TikTok stream still bad? Damn. It is lagging. Brother, it's Monday. Not for the rest of the world, it's not. Gotta keep in mind there are international viewers that join the stream. Yes, I think it is lagging hard. Usually, once people stop talking, man, you know the TikTok stream is like cooked days. I don't know how to combat that with, 3 bars. Like my Wi-Fi is on full, but it's still lagging? Yeah, it's still lagging. Is it still lagging for you guys? Living in the past. We were match of the Te Aroha Regionals. We didn't realise you performed. Yeah. Yeah, Uncle Wes just said, oh, I'm making another group. Do you want to come back? Said, oh, yeah, okay. Okay then. All good. Data, nah, I don't have data, my bro. My kids skonk it straight away. They smash my data. I'll be honest, I feel like One New Zealand doesn't have the best data deals as well. Uncle Link, yeah. Nips. Yeah, I was surprised to even get asked. I was like, oh, yeah, okay. Sweet ass. I'll jump in and have a jam. Shit. Sorry guys, just rounding in between these fingers here. Thank you very much, brother Isaac. Cheers, my bro. Then it froze. Yeah. Thank you, Isaac. Yeah, it must be freezing still. Geez, our YouTube's even quiet as well. I might just finish it up. Sometimes my YouTube channel, they will take like random dips where people will just start, unfollowing, which is, I feel like it's totally normal. Yeah, it's totally normal in my opinion. Yeah, bro. Like I've contemplated changing my phone provider, but because like my manager and everyone has my phone number, I don't want to. Unless I was to get another. I am planning on getting another phone just for IRL streaming, but I'm not sure when. That's the thing. Yeah, for the key. Check my bro. Yeah, I'm not sure when I get my my partnered agreement thing, but they said it would be within the coming days. So yeah, I think I just gotta wait patiently and see when it happens. So we got our email and yeah, it turns out we're gonna be getting partnered over there too, my bro. I don't know if that's the bro Trainwreck's doing or not, but yeah, pretty appreciating. Yo GK, kia ora, my bro. Thank you very much, Nathan, for the donut. Kia ora, kia ora. Yeah, I don't know if our TikTok stream is even still going. Like, I'm on full Wi-Fi, but it still might be a bit rubbish, eh? Could change provider and move your number across? Like, it would just change the one number, right? Happy Father's Day. Yes, it is Father's Day in America, eh? Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. American Father's Day. I was watching the drama with NZ Muscle. Have you seen that, my bro? Fuck. Out of it, fellas, man. Old NZ Muscle. Holy, if you are, train, do not buy your stuff from NZ Muscle. Holy. It is bad what they done, man. Cheer the brother Tim. Cheer my bro. Change the Wi-Fi to another, but keep... Oh, okay, I didn't know you could do that. True. Yeah, I feel like 1NZ's data packages are just rubbish compared to because my wife's with Spark, like Telecom and Far, their ones are like way better. Thank you very much, Mob, for the roses. Kia ora, Chris. So there's this whole thing going on with NZ Muscle right now. So they got caught for selling like expired protein. And they were buying protein from Mexico, opening it and putting it into the NZ Muscle bags and resealing it and trying to say it was 100% NZ made. And yeah, they were just doing a lot of unpackaging and resealing, and they were like, yeah, it's a doco on YouTube. It's all over TikTok at the moment. And I remember because I bought a creatine from NZ Muscle a long time ago, and I opened it and it was like hard and stale, and I'm like, fuck, they actually did that to me too. Like to the point where and whenever they got caught out on their shit, they would remove the items and correct their descriptions and then re-put it back on. Yeah, it's pretty fucked up what they were doing. Like, it wasn't, they were breaching the health standards and scamming a whole lot of people. Yeah, so there's this video of them. They go to a rubbish bin behind their facility, and yeah, there's like empty whey proteins of whey in the Spanish language, like boxes and boxes and tins on top of tins of whey protein, like empty. And they were ripping off F Labs. They were ripping off, like, if you don't know who F Labs is, they're another like protein company kind of thing. They were ripping their labeling off and putting their NZ Muscle labeling on it. So we're doing that and selling it for more. Thank you very much, Nathan. Yeah, so they were doing scummy shit like that. And every time they would get a bad review on their product, they'd remove the comment. Yeah, it's worth a watch if you want to go and tune in on it, because, bro, it's like out of it what they did. It's out of it. Over 6 years now. Yeah. Makes us look stupid. As long as it's not Maoris, I don't mind. Yeah, I'll be honest. As long as it's not Maoris, I don't mind. If I'm being completely honest. Thank you very much, Freddy. Cheer, my bro. Is the connection for TikTok still bad? I think it is, eh? But yeah, it's bro. The media, oh, they did a better job than the media did, like covering it. Like even one of their past, ambassadors they had, he done a video too, speaking on the situation, because he left the ambassador program last year, because he didn't like one of their deliverables, and he's like, this feels unrealistic and dodgy, so he left them, and yeah. Yeah, some of the ambassadors were Maori, so yeah, unfortunate for them. Unfortunately. But yeah, hey, fuck. Pretty out of it. Pretty out of it. Yeah, it was me and my wife were watching it last night. I was just out of it, eh? Elon offered to buy Discord. Oh shit. If Elon buys Discord, that's gonna be botted to smithereens. Everything that guy touches turns into bots, eh? I'll say that much. Thank you very much, Melui. Yeah, if it's true, then yeah, I'll probably delete my Discord server. Fuck that. I mean, the main thing we talk in the channel these days is TCG. Can you name a quote you live by? Not really. I can say one though. Nice to meet you, Fred. Yeah, fuck. If it's true and Elbaf is gonna be the next set of One Piece, I really want to get into it because I saw our Luffy Elbaf card, and it looks amazing. It looks amazing. But that's gonna be hard. Conquering Daily. Yeah, I am the NZ, my bro. How are you? Hello, Lil Manic. Muffin Man. Thank you very much for the rose. How do people not feel bad about doing things like... Yeah, I know, right? Greed. In my opinion, but greed. Greed would be the main pusher. And in their doco, it shows one of these ladies, because she videoed herself doing it. Yeah, she's getting like a F-Labs bag and pouring it into an NZ muscle bag. So in a sense, even the workers were fed up with the bullshit. So W them for doing that. But at the same time, how long has it been going on for, Yeah, OP17, my bro. Hey, cheer, cuz. Yeah, I seen you stream last night, but you mustn't have been on for too long. I just went to put the kids to bed and you weren't on. One of my cousins, guys, has started streaming. And I don't think he'll be on during my hours because I think he's at Mahi. But I've been just giving him some advice on what to do and how to go about it. If you want to check him out, his name's Motek. Mowtak. He's on TikTok, Kick, and Twitch as well. He's still new to the game, you know. But, you know, props to him for giving it a go. Hopefully when we do a night stream or two and we catch him live, we'll throw a raid his way. This one angry ass van driver. I recently watched Danger Close, about a long thing. The artillery guy who you only ever saw his back and his hand was built like you. Oh really? It was the Anzac forces in Vietnam. Oh, true. Yeah. There's a lot of bloody Anzac movies out there that I want to watch too. Well, not so much Anzac, it's more the Maori battalion. Aren't you the guy that went viral before? Hello, Alarm, how you ZJR? Thank you very much for the You're Awesomes, my bro. Pine looks clean. Oh, it's not, I'll be honest, it's not clean enough. It's not clean enough for Roxy's liking. Are you the guy that refused? Hello there, hero. How are you doing? Love what you do. Keep it up. Appreciate you, brother Brooklyn. Where are we? What's up, Amber Fox? Hey, what up, Spankin? Long time no see, my brother. Please tell me to go to sleep. Go to sleep. My daughter has a basketball game today. She got player of the day last week, so that was pretty buzzy. And that boosted her confidence even more. She got a little bit overwhelmed because she felt like she didn't know what to do. And then she played her first game. They won, and then played her second game, still a bit overwhelmed, and then she finally played and realized how easy it was. And yeah, she got player of the day, and now she's pumped to go to basketball. We so the reason why I did a string carving last Friday is because we had parent-teacher interviews. And how old is she now? I've got 3 daughters now, my bro. 7, 5, and 1. Oh yeah, the baby, the rice bubbles 1 year old now. So if you don't know, guys, that's baby's nickname, Ducky and Rice Bubble. She really loves eating rice, man, I tell you. Do you like Resident Evil? The last one I played is the one with the big lady that everyone busted their nuts over. What was that one? She's the big lady that had the big head and the dress on. Thank you, Vigo, for the roses, my bro. And brother Jack as well, I see you. Yeah, Village, yeah, that one. That's the one everyone was busting their nuts over, eh? Big lady. Hey, Brock's Grey Woodworking. Hope you have a great day. You too, brother. You too, my bro. You have a bloody good day too. Have an even better one, my brother. Okay. what position did you play at rugby? When I was big, I was a prop. But I could also play wing too. Used to play prop and winger and everything in between. Was surprisingly agile for, you know, a cuddly man or a cuddly kid. Hey, I even surprised myself too. Greetings from Serbia. Kia ora, my bro. What's the time in Serbia, brother? Sorry guys, we just gotta mold the stomach over a bit more. How long, so to those, you know, that watch soccer / football, how long does a World Cup normally go for? A month? Yeah, would it be a month? I don't know. Hello from Singapore, kia ora. Yes, so baby kinda, you know, developed quite fast. Compared to two sisters. Well, I mean, she's trying to keep up with them at the same time. She was walking before she was one. Just trying to keep up with her sisters, really. One thing I was pretty proud about, she can pick up a 5 kg dumbbell, just one though. I was like, oh, sure, me? Oh, 6 weeks. Oh, true. 2 months. I've been absolutely loving the passion from the people in there and for their teams, eh? Wow, it's been so cool. You know, I don't necessarily watch that sport, but seeing how passionate the people in the crowd are, chef's kiss. Absolutely amazing. Like when they were doing the who was the, is it Norwegians? They were doing the rowing in the crowd, bro. That was cool. That was cool. I absolutely loved that part. Yeah, they just all pulled up and they were all rowing in the crowd. I was like, that's badass. I like that. Football club stadium is that? That's when they start fighting, eh? You wanna fucking go, bruv? He starts singing. What's that one movie and it's got old Jax in it from Sons of Anarchy and he gets clapped. Green Street. Oh, I don't know. I can't remember the name of it. I'm gonna bust your fucking head in. Yo, positive inspiration. Cheers, my bro. Oh, I can't remember the name of the movie. Green Street Hooligans? I could be wrong though. Kay, thank you very much for the roses. Do you make chess pieces? Not really, my bro. Green Lane. Oh, Green Lane. Oh, is that it? Yeah, I just know it was Green Street, Green something. And it's what's his name? I don't know what other movies he's in. I know he's in a few, but it's the Temu Juggernaut from the X-Men movie, you know? The one who's looks like he's been on a cycle of roids for like 3 months and he wears a, you know, dick helmet looking thing. And he gets no diffed by, is it Kitty? I think. Kitty and Rogue. Have you ever seen a UFO? Does my cousin count? Sorry, our music just died on us, guys. Thank you very much, Rally, and the bro for the roses too. How you been, Kunapi? Does my cousin count as a UFO? built like one, flat. Flat like a flounder. Oh my gosh, this timber. Oh my yuck. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to get everything in here clean, like in between the arms and the legs and everything. Kia ora brother, how are we? Weather looks... Yeah, Jay, what's up? You say, bro, I'm still sick. Trying to get over my flu, but yeah, I'm all good, brother, I'm all good. Just got a bit annoyed that my running got interrupted, sadly. So I was running every day for this month, and yesterday my body was saying no, my bro. I was running 5Ks every day. But my body was just saying, nah, Bolt, relax, stay at home, play Gears of War. So I did. Stay home, stream Gears of War. And that's what we did. Unfortunately, you know, but you know, at this time, you know, one must always listen to their body. Aztec War Club, I probably won't, my bro. The reason why I touched base on it a little bit on the post, I don't want to carve any other indigenous races, you know, carving style, unless I live amongst their people and learn about it, you know. That's just, you know, everyone's different, but that's kind of me and the way I roll. As you know, as a tangata whenua myself, an indigenous person, I don't want to disrespect another culture. So yeah, I'd rather, you know, I'd rather live it first. Watching from Standing Rock. Hey, cheer. Standing Rock. Keep fighting, Whanonga, keep fighting. Thomas and Rod, thank you very much for the aroha. Keep defending the water, my bro. Hold on, guys. Wow, what happened to our sounds? Let me just go and get our water too. There we go. Got us some water. Sending love from South Africa. Kia ora, kia ora. Body knows best. Yeah, my bro. You're a big UFC guy? I went to school with Izzy. He used to go to Rotorua Boys High School. Same high school I went to, by the way. And also I found out that one of my friends is actually who's a producer. He had the opportunity to do one of Chris Brown's songs. You much of a fighter? No, I'm not a fighter. Not a trained fighter, but yeah, no. So we're just trying to shrink this body down on the side here. I'd like to get into training again, like fight training, but I barely have the time in my life to do that. Like the only time for me would be just enough to train myself to stay healthy. Yo, what up, Green Skelly? How you doing, brother? But I mean, you know, if someone tried to fight me and provoke me, I probably won't say no. Only if I'm around my kids, though. Yeah, I probably wouldn't say no. Thank you very much, Robin and Leighton. Kia ora, kia ora. Yo, how do I say your name? What is that letter? Nephilau? Thank you very much for the galaxy, brother. I hope I said that right. And the sweet, thank you very much for the 2 months as well. Also watching from California. I will be in California in September. Appreciate you, my bro. I've got to figure out where I can get some stickers done, guys. Anyone know where I can get stickers done in Aotearoa? I need to get some stickers done for BlizzCon. Thank you very much for the snowfall and the rose as well, Cruz. Ever been to Scotland? No, the only countries I've been to is Australia and America. Yeah, those are the only ones, my bro. I remember my first time at BlizzCon. I've told this story before. I didn't realize how heavy gatherings in America are, man. When I saw the armed snipers on the roof, holy shit. Absolutely crazy. You need to come to Ireland. You'll love the culture for sure. Oh, bro, yeah, Ireland, Scotland. I probably will. They let you use your own designs too. What's this for, Christopher? Thank you very much, Nifolau and Charlie as well. What are we talking about, brother Chris? Is this a game? Red bubble is what you're saying. Oh, thank you. Stickers, yeah, I want to get some stickers done and just, whoever walks up to me and comes to have a talk, I'll give them one of my stickers. I would do keychains, like carve some keychains, but I feel like it'd be too much of a hassle with customs. Yeah, I feel like it would be way too much of a hassle. Okay. One moment in here. Fuck. Not much I can do about the timber in there. Shit. Okay, let's do the face. Time to do the face, Whānau. We're going to clean up the face now. Got a fair bit to do. Oh, puzzle thing. Boom. Got it. Came from home from NZ to Oz with a wood carving. I believe it's treated. Yeah. So as long as the carvings are treated, but I'm not sure how America does it. Let me get it. Okay, we're over here. Boom. Oh, music stopped again. Damn it. Thank you very much, Joseph, for the rose, my bro. Okay, let's clean up this face. I wonder, where's the bloody speaker? Where is me Bluetooth speaker? My kids, bro. Fuck. They'll say, can I use this, Dad? And then you'll never see it again. That is indeed the Skyrim theme, good sir. Well, it was, till it turned off. Been playing a little bit of Skyrim RP. And it's been fun. It's been pretty funny, though. Public is absolutely crazy. Public is yeah, different breed of server, I must say. That was my first time playing on a public server. And holy happy Father's Day to everyone in America as well. But if we beat Egypt today, we will almost certainly qualify for the next round. Oh, it's, they got another game today. Yeah, I haven't really been tuning in. I won't lie. Fuck yeah, our YouTuber's channel is quiet today. I'm wondering if anyone's even watching. If not, then I might finish it. I might need to get a rag for this now so it can sit in the voice nicely. Maybe. Thank you very much, Keith. How long have you been wood carving for? 22, 23 years. I started when I was 12 and I turned 35 in September. Yeah. Thank you, Bernard. Okay, so I went to a concert over the weekend with my good bro. And it was mean. I really enjoyed it. You know, I don't do outings all the time. At the same time, too, fuck, it kind of showed me like how low my social battery is as well. Holy, it's low, man. But genuinely, I had a lot of fun at the Te Wehi concert. It was buzzy. It was mean as. Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what we could do for channel points over on Kick as well. Had some mean songs too. Like I didn't listen to all his songs. Like while we were waiting for the concert, but yeah, he's majority of the songs I knew, mean. They were mean as. Est. I don't know what that means, Blake. Thank you very much, y'all, for the rose. Kia ora, bro. Te Wehi would have been mean. Yeah, yeah. Oh, he was, bro. He was mean as. Yeah, depending how quiet YouTube is, might finish it up and just jam some music. What happened after their one popular stream? I streamed the next day. Pretty much. That's kind of what happened after that day. What is that wood? This is pine. Yeah, we're working with pine today. Nothing, you know, abnormally amazing. You know, it's not the first pick I'd make, but it's what I have, so we're gonna use it. Yeah, that's all that happened the next day after that stream, my bro. Just streamed the next day. And the next day. Where are we? I need to blow my nose real quick. Yeah, I think something I'm going to do for myself, the first carving I'm going to do. Oh, and saying that too, I've got another job for a meeting house. Yeah, I'm going to be doing something for a meeting house, guys. So I'm kind of playing it by ear at the moment and just waiting. Kind of waiting on them to see, you know, when I can start for them. But I'll be carving, potentially carving a pare, which is the part of the meeting house that goes above the door. So yeah, good things on the way. Good things on the way. Where are we? Where do you find and how do you find customers? Social media? Streams? DMs? And how much time do you get for something like that? It'll most likely be a free one, my bro. Main reason why I say that is because it's my girls, it's my wife and my daughter's meeting house. They're so one of their trees got cut down because it was a hazard, and so they're giving me some of the timber, and I just told them, oh yeah, thank you in return. If you want, I'll do something for the meeting house. You just think about what you want. And the eyes lit up, and I was like, oh, shit, there it is. So yeah, we could possibly be doing a putty. But I'll have to be doing a little bit of research on it, eh? It's not one that I'm going to start straight away. How many weeks? Oh, how many weeks? So offline, I'd say it might take, well, depending on the size, I'd say 2 months. But if I'm doing it on stream, it might take longer. So if I do end up doing it on stream, I'm probably gonna do, you know, like big stints offline as well. But yeah, like considering how a putty can be, because majority of the putty that I've seen, you know, there's like many levels to them, and they drill right through, like in terms of the holes. So those are the things that we kind of got to consider even before we even start. I haven't seen you in years. Hello, all the underscores and all the full stops. How are you? How art thou? So yeah, those are just the little tidbit things we got to think about before, you know, even getting to the starting line. And on top of that too, the tribal style as well.
All I know about soccer, nothing.
Oh my gosh, YouTube ad.
Holy heck.
Oh, that's a big steak. Alright, got our ambience back. Is that bread? That is pine. Yeah, it's me, what is that? Owl emoji. Bro, it just stopped already. Holy. Carving bread. Even as someone with no wood knowledge, I wouldn't say that looks like bread. Maybe you guys need to go and get you some bread. Joe RJ, Mr. Raw, man's hungry. Oh, I'm hungry for sure, but I can't eat till lunchtime. It doesn't really look like bread. Yeah, the colour. I'm a whole grain man though. I gotta change up my calorie deficit. My body's adjusted to it now, so we must shock the system once more if we want to lose more of the weights. So we gotta adjust our calories between 2200 to 3000. That's what we're gonna drop it down to. So I'll start like running what I need for my shopping now. NA, thank you very much for the roses. Yo, what up, Jenny? Hope you're having a wonderful day. I am, my bro, I am. Monday, my bro, Monday. Oi! Oh! Zomniac's Dreams, thank you very much for the raid. Welcome through to the stream. My name is Brox. I'm a traditional Maori wood carver. I've been carving wood for a couple years of my life now. Welcome through. What were you streaming today? Welcome everyone in your stream. Kia ora. More than fucking handle it. Kia ora. Kia ora, kia ora. Hope you had a good stream. Nice to meet you, nice to meet you. Welcome to you and your community as well. Just productivity Sunday, love what you do. Oh, che, thank you. Gotta love getting stuff done on the Sunday though. I remember every Sunday was always a cleaning day in my family, and you'd know because the music would be turned up so loud, and when you hear that, you know the first thing you do is get up and clean your room, because when my mum or my auntie or my nan open the door, you better hope your room is clean. The flashbacks, hey, the flashbacks, my bro. Hey, see the bro still going? Appreciate you, my bro. Music and vacuums going? Exactly, exactly. Yo, B-Tree! Aloha kako! How are you, my brother? Morena. Morena, my bro. Good morning, good morning. It is a freezing one over here, my bro. I have the man flu, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies, if you ever got the man flu, it is a guaranteed. I see you. Don't joke about it. What's the temp? I don't know. I don't have one of those smart cars that tells the temp either. This is how this is how I tell, you know, do temperature. It's either cold or it's fucking cold. I detect Aussie. Right or wrong? You are absolutely wrong. Absolutely wrong. How dare you? Nah, I live next door. I live next door to Australia. Yeah, we don't really have I don't stay in Australia where, you know, I have a lot of friends. I have a couple of friends from Sydney that'll tell you they're from Sydney at least 10 times within the one conversation. Oh, 'cause you know I'm from Sydney, yeah? I was like, yeah, you said so 11 times ago. I don't know. I just feel like people from Sydney like saying they're from Sydney more than 10 times. Thank you very much, Bailey. Appreciate you, man. It might just be me, but yeah, that's the pattern I started noticing. Oh, cause you know I'm from Sydney, eh? Yes, I'm from Sydney. It's the peeps from Auckland that always say it's better, but it ain't. My bad, so sorry. Oh, you're all good, my brother. You're all good. Unknown, thank you very much for the rose, my brother. Yeah, guys, I think once I get all these chat commissions out of the way, I am going to do a carving of Tai Kaliso and Whakairo. In the Whakairo form. I live everyone on the ocean watching Kole. Hey, bro, it is cold, my bro. It's getting like that these days now, though. Hope all is well on the island, brother. Shoosh. How do you source your timber? There's a few places. So there's a wood recycling centre here. Some of my mates who are carvers as well. There's a wood turner guy I know here. I get timber off him too. Or if it comes down to it, I'll just go home. Go home and get some, pretty much. Nice and easy. Cold here from Adelaide Hills. Cheer, my bro. Hello from Utah. What's up, brother? So yes, to those that don't know, I've had the idea. I've only been playing Gears of War for about 4 hours of my life. And I know about Tai and what happens. He's the reason why I'm getting into Gears of War, and I think later on down the track I am going to do a Tai Kaliso carving in the Whakairo form, okay? And that's something I'm going to plan on doing. Bro, I just can't see myself deciding I don't know the correct thing to do, but I just... Open my eyes, bro. What's the point of living when you hate living in this world? Your day... Hold on, guys. Okay. First of all, that is sad to hear, my bro. That is sad to hear. But I would say this, as you say, what's the point in living? It's to live a life that you want to. You know, that's the kind of like how life balances out sometimes, you know. We can't live a good life if there's no bad, eh? Because, you know, the scale's going to be unbalanced. And it is truly through, you know, all these bad times in our lives where we truly learn who we are and how we adapt to said situation. First of all, like, in my eyes, because you've come to my stream and it's good, you know, I don't mind you, anyone who wants to come to my stream and open up. First of all, I do not mind that one bit, okay? Because this will always be a safe place for you guys to do that. Even well and truly after Men's Mental Health Month. So, I'd say, you know, what's a life worth living? It depends on what you want to do. It it does happen in life. You know, we do come through these rough patches where life tests us. You know, physically, mentally, and emotionally as well. I've been through, you know, a similar thing, and you know, gotten stuck in life too. No one's invincible to a bad day, in my opinion. And it's just a matter of how do you navigate through that and come out on the other side. Because the person we should only ever compete against in life is the person we were yesterday. So, in a sense, I would say that you've already beaten that person you were yesterday by coming to the stream and opening up. You know, it takes a lot for a person to do that. A lot. So, I'll give you that, brother. That's the first, you know, that's the first step in the right direction. You know, it doesn't matter how big or small it may be. Just know that you've taken one. I think something I'd like you to do. Change your surroundings first.
I need you to oil this man right now.
And go for a run. Go for a run, my bro. Burn it off. And then come back and, you know, after you've done all of that, kind of recalibrate and think about where you would like to go, you know? Like, I don't mind stopping carving just to, you know, have a genuine conversation with someone. Sorry if people are watching and wanting to see me carve, but someone has reached out in the Twitch chat, and I'll stop everything to, you know, talk directly to them. Because it's, in my opinion, the right thing to do. Especially when, you know, they are someone that, you know, comes to your stream. Thank you very much for gifting us up. I'm soaking in my tears, bro, but what to do anymore? Or any of these tears when I see my problems. Or will it make me better? Guess what, man? Even grown men like us cry. That is a totally normal thing to do, brother. That is a totally normal thing to do. And I commend you for doing that, you know? Not a lot of people like to admit that they're crying, in my opinion. Especially men in life. I'm proud of you for doing that, first of all. Very stigmatized in many societies. Yeah, it is. But just know that it's not stigmatized in this corner of the internet. On any platform that I may be on. If talking to us is helping, bro, keep going. And I think something you should do when you're ready is go and have a hot shower too. I've been there. Shit feels like. See, a lot of us, you know, can relate. And that's something that I genuinely appreciate about the communities we have on all 4 platforms that we're streaming on right now, is that, you know, you're not the only one that has gone through something like this. There are many and many more. And you know, when someone sees a person going through the same thing they're going through, something that I always adore about the communities that we've created is that they'll tell you. They'll tell you, my bro. In a sense as well, something to consider as well is doing something physical too, brother. Like training. Don't just train to look good, train to help the mental as well. Sorry guys, yeah, I just want to make sure the bros are good. Thank you very much for the Aroha on TikTok as well, guys. It's just the type of person, it's just the type of streamer I want to be, guys. You know, if someone's reaching out for help, I'd stop anything just to, you know, chat to them. Might ruin the moment. You're not ruining the moment at all. Do not think that one bit. If you do, I hope that a tree elf goes to your house and kicks you in the knee. I know tree elves are not real, but one can imagine. Anyone to talk to, but thanks, brother. You can repeat what you've said every time my clouds get darker. The VODs will always be up, or I stream Monday to Friday during the day, okay? The fact that you came here to speak, my bro, that's good. I want you to do that. I encourage you to do that all the time, okay? And if being here, being in the stream helps too, continue to talk. Continue, please. That's what the streams are here for as well, my bro. It's not just for carving and gaming. It's to connect with you all, and hopefully we can all come together, you know, as well at the same time to help those that are part of the communities. Locked behind the follow thingy. Sorry about the follow thingy. I should really take that off. Yeah, we had a bit of a out the gate raid a while ago and I forgot to turn it off. By the way, create moments, not ruin them. Yeah. So don't ever, like, to anyone that's in the stream, if you want to open up, don't think that you're ruining the stream ever. That's never a thought that crosses my mind when people come up asking and like opening up in the streams. Not one day has that ever crossed my mind. Since coronavirus, you don't just carve wood, you carve out the soul with a beautiful heart. Thank you, my bro. Yeah, like, I want to be here as your fellow streamer, not just as a wood carver, but as a human being as well. Okay? Just want to make that clear over the platforms that we're on. Understanding not all people on Twitch are nice. Yeah, they're not. But then again, when we get people like that in the stream, I put my Farmer Brown clothes on them and farm them for laughs. Yeah, that's one thing that we do. They think they're funny, but long story short, I can be a cheeky piece of shit too. Within TOS, obviously. Thank you very much for the 20 roses, my bro. Yeah, within TOS. Been watching since TikTok and I will never leave. Why does that remind me of that one scene of Cartman and his friends in the basement playing WoW and not leaving? He's like, Mom! Bathroom! Bathroom! Diabolical scene, I must say. The wood carving and the going Chichu from South Auckland. Chichu, my bro. Thank you very much, Anonymous, for gifting a sub as well. Thank you. We just want to help you, bro. Thank you very much, Chris. Yeah, so TikTok to those and to the other platforms. Someone just, you know, come into the Twitch stream and, you know, opening up basically. And that is one thing I'll always do, is when someone reaches out just to have a talk, I'll stop everything in order to, you know, talk directly to them, because that's the right thing to do. Thank you very much, Dark One. Kia ora, my bro. Yeah, just yeah, with Twitch, you know, yeah, it does have a reputation of having, you know, those kind of people, trolls and everything. But I can, there's people that troll just to be assholes. I troll people for the good of humankind, for the laughs. Pretty much. And when we troll them good and they leave, it's like me, you know that one scene on Batman, when he's standing on the edge of the building and he's like aura farming and the lights in the background. That's how I feel when we get them, If I could ever be a good person like you, brother. Thanks for everything. Always remember, please come back to the streams. Don't say that. Please come back to the streams. There's no need to say if I'm gonna be alive, okay? Yes, the world can be cruel, my bro, but we don't need to. We don't need to, reply to the cruelness of the world with that. We can, our response can be kind and good at the same time too, to those that are. To those situations. Just remember, some of the strongest people in the world are the ones that have suffered quite a lot in life, And I think you're a strong person. So please, if you can, please for me, if you can, please come back to all the streams this week, okay? All of them. It's Monday today. Monday to Sunday, okay? So we stream carving Monday to Thursday. We have Gears of War Fridays. I've started playing Gears of War, and we'll most likely play it through the weekends too. But please, if you can, for me, come back to the streams for the week, and we will go from there. I hope happiness and peace follow you everywhere you go in life. I want that for everybody, not just me. And you too. You getting off? No. I just wanna tell the bro. Just come back to the streams, man. Even chill in the streams. You don't even have to talk. You don't even have to talk, good sir. Gears of War is a great game series. Yeah, I just started playing Gears 1. Yeah, I've been looking at the YouTube chat. I saw your comment, Sabo. Appreciate you. Yeah, I just started playing Gears yesterday. So I have to play, get through Gears 1. I think we're almost halfway through, one of the bros was saying. Please keep coming back to the streams, my bro. I challenge you to do so. Oh, murder. Yeah, it's, in my opinion, there's too much people that get a kick out of being assholes these days. See it in streaming quite a bit, And, I just want to be myself and hopefully be the difference. Sabuchi? Where do you see your comments? Twitch, TikTok, YouTube, and Kick. Thank you very much, Amber, for the roses. Kia ora. Please, you keep coming back to the stream, my bro. Full of battles, but aroha. Yeah, that's the thing with us, Constantly fighting our battles in silence with all the bros out there. I mean, even me, I'm the same. I'm the same as well. Much love, Brother Black. Cheers, my bro. Hey, Amber. Holy botting service. Yeah, it's winter here right now. Be the change you want to see? Yeah, pretty much, my bro. Pretty much. So something I'm always... So I don't mind being open about this. So one of the constant battles within my brain that I'm constantly going over is, am I doing enough, Am I doing enough for my family and for everyone in my stream? And that's when, that's one thing I constantly think about all the time, because, one day in my life I hope that I do enough for me and my family to, get a house and everything. Do enough for my kids. And am I making everyone proud, From my own family to the streams that I'm on to all the social medias. Those are the constant battles in my head that I think about all the time. And there are heavier stuff too, like, with my sister and everything. But those are the ones that occur every week, kind of thing. It's like a default setting to be nasty rather than bad. Yeah, pretty much. Wait, what's the date today? Oh, it's the 22nd. Everyone's proud of me. Cheers, my bro. Yeah, there are those, those moments in the stream where I'm like, am I doing enough for everyone? Always, always. I'm not scared to say these things. Because, I'm being honest. I'd rather be an honest person than, than not. Yes, the things I'm constantly thinking about all the time. Thank you very much, GBS. Cheers, my bro. What are you making? A heitiki, I'll show you. There we go. So we just finished this side here. So it's all clean and ready to go. And we're just molding the face on the other side, okay? So it's double-sided. So it's a double-sided one. So we're working on this face. And then we just finished that one there. So yeah. Don't forget how much you have done too, brother. Don't get caught up in it. Have you done enough? Yeah, my bro. Yeah. I'll be honest. Like if I can be really honest with you guys, there are moments when I forget. Because so much going on up here, thinking. Thank you very much, B3, for gifting a sub, my bro. Yeah, there are moments when I, kind of forget and how much we've done as a community. Then yeah, snap back to reality and go again, my bro. We go again. Let me just pull the jug. Sorry about that, guys. What's up, Mata? How are you, my bro? How are we doing TikTok? Thank you very much to Jack and Josh and is it Lizzle for the hearts and the roses. Kia ora. And Jack again as well. What's up, Comfy Jam? How you doing? Just trying to mold this out and get this done. Okay, I gotta ask Stu, who's seen the new Toy Story? Is it good for the kids? Or is it good for us? Meaning the ones that started watching Toy Story, aka us. How's your day been, Joy? Okay, all good. Monday today. Can't complain. I ain't gonna lie. I like Mondays. Majority of the time. But when I get hit with the Monday-itis, hooey! Don't like the Monday, huh? We appreciate it. I wanted to watch you for the vibe, but now it's impacting community I'd love to be a part of. Cheers, my bro. Did it come out already? Yeah, I think it came out over the weekend. Appreciate that, brother. Thank you very much, my bro. Okay, I think we do the other side now. Sending love from London. Kia ora, my bro. Thank you, Jackson, for the roses and full stop as well. Who's all the soccer / football games today? So apparently we're playing Egypt today. I didn't even know Egypt had a team. Is that that sounds like baseball talk. Fox should be a character in the Toy Story 6. Yeah, I'll be the main alien. The Claw. Thank you very much. Hello, your work as usual is stunning. Very happy to watch the progress. The Wayward Game. Thank you very much for the kind words, my bro. And the biddies too. Yeah, so we're kind of nearing the end of this. As I mentioned, it will most likely stay the way it is, pretty much. I just really need to figure out how I'm going to clean up in these gaps here without tearing the timber. Because that's one thing about pine. It's really soft. Like really soft. So I'm just trying to come up with a plan on how we can clean up those spots that have tears in it and continue. The Claw. I like those aliens, they're funny. But I'll be the alien that says it with a deep voice. The Claw. Ain't the Toy Story things in Fortnite right now? Spain, Saudi Arabia, Spain won, Belgium is Iran, draw. Whoa! Happening right now in 2 hours. Oh, okay. Yeah, one thing I've noticed about football / soccer can be a real stalemate in terms of like points sometimes, eh? Like it can be like a 2-0 or 2-1 win, something like that. As opposed to like, you know, other sports where one team might get absolutely anal beaten or it'll be a close game. Yeah, you heard what I said. You gonna watch the game NZ versus probably not, my bro, because I am gonna go to the gym after stream. So how do they decide a game when the score is 0-all? How does that work? Do they have a rock paper scissors off? That'll be pretty epic, eh? Decide who wins the game with a rock paper scissors off. That will be absolute cinema. Cinema. Imagine how hyped the crowd would get after you win that hole. That'll be so cool. Kia ora from Oz, tēnā koe hoa. Tēnā koe. They do, oh that's right, penalty shootouts, eh? And they block like salmons, eh? Hey, this is how they block, eh? They stand there and then they do the salmon technique. They go. A silly salmon technique. That's what I know. Yeah, that's all I know. Yeah, they just stand there and then. And then one of them will just take it to the head. Two for my country. Oh, that's right. No, it's the goalie and the guy, eh? I'll be honest. The worst ones is when the kicker's getting ready and the goalie jumps before he kicks and he just goes, eh. Imagine being that goalie. Look like an absolute tit, man. You'd look like an absolute tit, I tell you. And I saw on the news as well that some teams have imported their own kai or their own food to America because they don't like, you know, American food or something like that. Each team will play each other and win 1 point to draw. The top two teams, I believe, will progress to the next. Oh, and the other one's got to like duke it out again. I'd be the absolute worst if I played that game. I'll be like, breathe on his ankle, he'll dive. then we can utilize that. Breathe on his ankle. Oh, they're out. Oh, okay. Okay. Didn't Congo beat someone, or did they tie with them? I saw that on the news. Lee, thank you very much for the bravo. Yeah, I saw Congo had a game in Friday. They were all vibing in the crowd, eh? They'll play a game to decide second or third. Oh, okay. I gotta say, it's been cool watching Speed's POV of the World Cup as well. His coverage has been pretty cool too. Hey from Canada, kia ora my bro. Live in Vancouver, and the Japanese fans are the best, bro. Everyone's been vibing, eh? Like, that's what I've been enjoying the most too. Just seeing all the internationals just vibing out, eh? And cleaning up after themselves too. I mean, that New York Knicks fan girl should take a, you know, should heed their example. Instead of stealing a New York Knicks coloured trash can and then tipping all the rubbish on the road and leaving. My goodness. Bro, you're in there too? Yeah, Twitch, Kick, YouTube and TikTok is what we stream on every day. Paul, thank you very much for the manawa, my bro. I try to stream every day anyway. I hope the bro is still in the stream. I know he's not talking right now. How you been, Sammy? Where are you watching this? Where else are you watching, Sammy? Our paths converge again. Marcus Phoenix. Also, I watched the reaction. I watched the reaction of people watching Gears of War E-Day. And there were a crowd, and there was a bugger all reaction for Ty. Younger crowd that don't know the ways. Kia ora from GI. Oh, kia ora, bro. Is it worth me buying cheap carving chisels as a newbie? Oh, to learn it will be. Because, you know, chisels as a whole are not cheap, my bro. They are not cheap. Jimmy, thank you for the roses. Or if you can find some in, you know, in an antique store. Oh, I found some golden ones in an antique store one time. They were $26 for a full set. And I went to grab them. Legit had $26 on the stamp. And I went to grab them and the lady goes, "Are you a wood carver?" I went, "Oh yeah." And she goes, "Oh, there's a 180. Like, but it's $26. She goes, "No, that's wrong." I'm like, yeah, fuck, I don't want these then. Fucking scammer. False advertising. What do you mean? Am I a wood carver? So I'm gonna hike the price up. Oh nah. Suck my foot. After I've worn socks all day and gumboots. Have to be the most respectful fans in the world. The country will stay. Yeah, I've seen that. But I mean, they do that at everything they go to, eh? That's why I love it. I love it, bro. It's real respectful, eh? Class acts as usual, brother. And I respect the hell out of that from the Japanese fans. Do you ever freestyle design in your spare time? Like carvings? I did create a Batman one time. Yeah. And one wearing a spray painter mask. Yep, I did. Not so much carved it, but drew it. I need to get the screen on my iPad fixed because my daughter thought it would be funny to stand on it. And the screen is cracked. So I haven't really been able to use Procreate at all. But I heard it's like really expensive to get like screens replaced. So I haven't really... It's not a need or a want kind of thing right now. So just not drawing at all. Yeah, it's not a... It's more of a want than a need. So I kind of just forgot about it. Thank you very much for the roses, Mecca. Hey Brooks, how you doing on this glorious morning? Other than being sick, all is pretty good. Pretty good, my friend. Pretty good.
I need you to oil this man right now.
Yo! ASAP Sewer, thank you very much for the 2 months, my bro. Appreciate the love, my brother. Appreciate you. Helping us get to the daily sub goal, my bro. Hope you're well and looking after yourself, brother. No matter where you may be in the world, good sir. Hey Rox, much love from Canada. I started whittling because of you. Keep up the good work. Beautiful, my bro. How's it been going? How's it been going for you? Is it me or does it kind of look like ET? I can see why you would think that, I'll be honest. Yeah, how's that been for you, my bro? Fuck, I think my TikTok stream is cooked there. I might finish it up. Oh, and plus my phone's like flat as hell. I don't know if you guys can hear me TikTok, but thank you very much for tuning in today. I know it's been a lag fest of emotions, but for now, I'm gonna love and leave you. Appreciate you all for tuning in. If you can hear me, have a good one. Hey, oh my god, it's the real thing. I didn't think yous would come in here. Hope you're doing good, brother. Hope you're doing good. Hope Marvel Rivals has been fun. Hope Marvel Rivals has been fun. And you too, my bro. Hope you've been looking after yourself. Yeah, my TikTok stream has just been completely cooked lately. Jay, have a good day, Robbie, if you're out, my bro. I started with a fish, but I broke it in half by accident. All good. Make another one. Make another one, my bro. Now you know. Now you know. It's always good to have those kind of accidents here because they help you learn. If you're the best man, love and rivals. I need to jam with you sometime, my friend. It does get a bit hard these days because being a parent at the same time too, brother. But appreciate you, man. How's the tanking meta right now? Because that was pretty much my favorite role, tanking. Not sure what it's like these days. I know a lot of people will be playing Cyclops right now. Holy pigeons. Far out. And appreciate you. Yeah, bro, the dinosaur is a wonderful tank. Yeah, I've been wanting to play the dinosaur. Who did I like playing? I think the tank I played the most of last time I played was Groot. Groot and what's his name? Doctor Strange. Subla Phantasma. Yeah, Doctor Strange was and Groot were the last ones I played a lot of. I mean, it's pretty obvious why I played Groot Tree. Who else? Yeah, I think DPS was my weakest role. But it's mainly because I didn't really enjoy any of the DPS characters. I wish I could enjoy Black Panther, but I'm slower than a frickin' snail. And I just played Namor when I felt like being a piece of shit. You play Jeff because your name is Jeff? That is fair. That is fair. Yeah, I only ever played Namor because I always knew the bullshit angles on him. The anger-inducing angles, and I fed off that. I have Charmander and have Zero Shame. Ah, you're good, you're good. Yeah, I might have to re-download it. How's Deadpool? Because he's all three roles, eh? How the hell does that work? So can you have 3 Deadpools on your team at once or no? That sounds like too much plot armor if I think about it now. Yeah, that sounds like too much plot armor having 3 Deadpools on your team. Knows how to troll. I do the same. Yeah, bro. You can get stupid angles with Namor. When's the last time you played the game? Was when Star-Lord got that Foo Dog skin with the luscious hair. That was the last time I actually played it. I think that's when everyone used to spam Winter Soldier. Thank you very much, Rose and Jimmy. 1 Deadpool all the time in each team. DPS Deadpool is not very good. Tank and heal Deadpool. Oh, Tank Deadpool. That sounds like something I would get into. Deadpool can heal as well. Interesting. Interesting. I'm going to re-download it after stream. And I have a cheeky game. Who else did I play? Emma as well. Emma Frost. Why? Thigh physics. when it jiggled, so I was like, okay, she looks like someone I'd play. I'm a thigh man, guys. Leave me alone. I'm a thigh man. Okay. Yeah, what's connected to the thighs? The backside. That was the only reason why I wanted to play Emma. What's up, Caden? Oh, who else is there? Rogue. Deadpool was interesting. I want to add Green Goblin as all roles like him. That'll be cool. Oh, he'd be so irritating if he kills you and he does that stupid laugh. I'd hate that. I would hate that. Yo, Caden, I'm doing good, my brother. Hope you are too. Who else is there? I know Angela's one. Angela's a tank. Rogue's another one, eh? I stupid laugh at the Power Ranger mask. I know, bro. That would irritate the shit out of me. That's so cool. Oh, whereabouts are you in the world, Prince? Rogue seems like a very complicated character, like tank to play for me. Oh, you're in Texas. Oh, yeah, yeah. Cause all my exes live in Texas. Captain America Rogue, Angela. Yeah, I just liked Angela because she was a muscle mummy. When she got released, I was like, my lord. Oh, you live in Miami. Killed her. Australia and America. Thank you very much. The return of Olivetarian, did I say that right? And Pink Raven. Kia ora, kia ora. California, kia ora. California. Here we go. What was that program? Dawson's Creek? I can't remember. Oh, what time is it for you there? It is 11:30, good sir. 11:30. It is almost time for 100 grams of rice and 200 grams of chicken, plain. It is my last day on my calorie deficit diet, and then I'm going to change it up and do a different one. How's the progress today? Yeah, we're good. We're on the face. On the face today, and the face is almost molded, to be honest. Yeah. Gotta ring up my cousin too. Wasn't that? Oh, in Orange County, that's right. Thank you, Loki and Harvey, for the roses as well, and the heart. How are we doing on the other platforms, guys? What's up, Surge, over on the tube? Yeah, we need I need to figure out how to get some alerts for my Kick channel. I don't know what people use. Does anyone know? Stream Elements, I'm guessing. I'll be honest, I struggle with Stream Elements stuff. A bit complicated for me. How's your morning going so far? It's been good, Emma. It's been good. Just been smashing out some of this mahi while trying to stay warm at the same time. And probably after this I'll have my lunch, go to the gym, and then go watch my daughter play basketball. She still wants a Connecticut Suns singlet for her birthday. I'm like, fuck, those are expensive. So I don't know, this is a parent thing for me. So to all the parents out there, I don't know if any of you do this. So does any of the parents that are watching the stream always have, you know, like when your kids are talking about stuff they want, do you have like notes open? Do you have like notes open so you can take notes of the stuff that they might want? So my big girl, what she wants is for her birthday, she wants to get some, so she's getting older, so she's like moving away from toys and whatnot, so she's starting to get into bloody makeup, unfortunately, and books and writing. And on top of that, she wants a horse. Yeah, a horse. I'll be honest, the horse is not hard to get, but it's more so where the horse has to stay, which will be a couple of hours away from us. And so my second daughter, she wants a Connecticut Suns singlet. She wants to go and watch LeBron James play a game. Yeah. And she wants some of the... What are these stupid dumpling things that everyone's getting? Some of those. Apparently dumplings are the new craze, whatever the hell those are. Oh, and my older daughter wants to do Pokemon breaks with me for her birthday. 7 and 5 are my two girls. Yeah, so I don't know. We might wait till November for the Rayquaza set to come out and do that. On the radios out where? Out Oppo. Oh, when we have the time. So I show her photos of me that I used to do barrel racing when I was a kid. Obviously I would not do it anymore. Poor horse. Show them. Yeah, they jam the chatterings too. They their grandparents have chatterings at their house. So yeah, what are these freaking dumpling things that everyone's on about lately? And some shit called Nidos. What are those? I don't know what those are. Nidos and dumplings. It's like, the only dumplings I care about are the ones I can eat, not the ones I can play with. So it's like, it's the new thing, Dad. I was like, what? Sounds dumb. Hey, what's up, Ford? Yeah, it's me, brother. Yeah, she's talking about those toy dumplings. We're like, what the fuck is a toy dumpling? I'm out of the loop, so I never know. And I'm out here saying the only dumplings I care about are the ones I can eat. Who the hell wants to play with a dumpling? My wife is hard too, because she's born on she's a bit of a double whammy, my wife, because she was born on Christmas Eve. And my wife always says, I don't want anything, and I know that's a loaded question, eh, brothers? Hey, we all know that's a loaded question. There's expectation there from said Said other half. Who wants a dumpling you can't eat? That's crazy. I know. Fucking silly. Oh, those toy dumplings that have toxic chemicals in them. Oh, hey, I'm not surprised. They don't want that squishy shit in them, eh? But yeah, my second daughter wants Connecticut Sun singlet. Charlize's one, if she can get it. And to go and watch LeBron James live. So I can do one of those. Maybe. Ask your daughter about marketing scheme and how they lure people to buy useless items. She's already trying to come and train with me at the gym. I'm like, you're too young here. You can't train with me. And you will slow me down. You will slow me right down and I will get annoyed. Well, there we go, just sorting out our chisels. How you been, Thunder? Yo, Marvin, chill, my bro. Never too young to train. Yeah, just been doing basketball and running with the kids. So every Saturday morning, me and my kids go for a hike. Just the same track as we always do. And it's just a thing that I like to do with my daughters. Obviously, the young one likes doing it. The oldest one's a bit of a complainer. But I'm coming to the realization that my youngest, or the middle child, is a bit of a drill sergeant now. She's turning into one. She's like, hurry up, run! And I'm like, fuck, you remind me of your grandmother. My grandmother was a bit like that too. Bit of a drill sergeant. TikTok. Okay, my phone is about to die. My phone is about to die, so I may have to... Oh, not I may, I do. I do have to end the TikTok stream, but I just want to say thank you very much for tuning in. Hope you all enjoyed. And I'll see you around, eh? Peace out, TikTok. Choo choo. They must be getting big now. Fuck yeah. Getting older and they're getting more opinions. That's pretty annoying, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, it's the answering back. Fuck. Like, ooh. Your nan would have gave you a hiding for that. Yeah, the eldest, man. Fuck. All the opinions in the world now, bro. Holy shit. Holy shit. It gets like that though. Fuck. And then my second child, fuck, she's starting to fight even more now. Starting to fight way more, but yeah, she's coming into her own. I'd say they bring all their mates over, times that by 100. Fuck yeah, holy. Because I told both my kids, they're starting to talk about sleepovers now, but I pretty much told them you ain't gonna have sleepovers. Like, your mates can come here when you get older, but they're not going. You're not going to their houses. Just because, for me, I'm not comfortable with it. Because, you know, I don't know who's going through their doors, and it doesn't sit right with me. Just had one this weekend. Don't do it. Yeah, my eldest daughter's getting to their point now. I was like, can I have a sleep? Can my mates come over? I'm like, nah. Not yet, my bro. Not yet. Yeah, not yet, my bro. It's too soon. Also, guys, are gonna be gotta get some Mecha Chameleon vibes going on too. Hey bro, I wasn't allowed anywhere over the weekends when I was little unless my parents knew that as well. Till I was older. Yeah bro, it's just you know, as the years get going, you know, because I watched a podcast. Shout out to the Mandate, by the way, is the name of it. And the one dad was talking about how he didn't let his daughters go to sleepovers. And then when she turned 18, she had a sleepover. And pretty much, you know, she went to her mates to have a sleepover, and her mates asked her, why haven't you had sleepover? Is this your first sleepover? She goes, oh yeah, I've never been to a sleepover. And they pretty much, so what the dad said, the daughter's mates just started crying. And they pretty much said, I wish our dads were like you. Because they were, you know, they were by other people from ex-family. And that just, you know, realised my initial thoughts about my kids going on sleepovers at a young age. And yeah, pretty much, yeah, I don't know who's going through, you know, ex-friends' doors, and I don't feel safe with that, you know. I don't feel safe knowing that. And so that's kind of something that I have told my kids, are like, you ain't having sleepovers till you are old. Unless, you know, your friends come here. How are you in 3 layers and a hat on a nice day? It's winter and I'm skinnier than last year. Having a full house is not too bad. You end up treating them like your own. Yeah, bro. I feel that. I probably do the same thing too. I haven't been on Twitch much, been keep busy with life, and of course got married last month. Congratulations! But I'm gonna stop by to show love when I can. Hope you and the chat are doing alright. Hey Siege! Congratulations, brother. Congratulations on getting married. That is beautiful to hear, my bro. And like life, hey bro, once you get older, you figure it out. Yeah. And with that guy's daughter, after the friends opened up about what had happened to them when they were younger, the daughter rang the dad up and said, "I just want to say thank you for looking out for me until I turned 18." And that's when he knew straight away. See it, just looking out for you. Have a good sleepover. And so yeah, I've kind of adopted that too. Congratulations, man. I hope you had a beautiful day. Congratulations, brother. Love to see it. But yeah, the reason why I'm in so many layers this time around, I'm not as insulated as I used to be. I've lost quite a bit of weight. And yeah, I'm feeling the cold. It's more so for my body. And I am, a little bit sick as well. Like with my voice and everything. So yeah, we are losing the voice a little bit. Ah, that's beautiful, my bro. Congratulations. I'm just gonna chuck this on the charger real quick. Alright, that's charging, so we'll be good. How we doing, guys? Katie Pie? To the picture, hey, inspiration. I go steady, baby, in the way that they show. Yeah, Twitch has been good though, Brother Siege. Just continuing as usual. Doing our thing. And, we stream on more than one platform these days, as usual, as you probably know. And just a little announcement that I've mentioned already. I will be going back to BlizzCon this year. So I got invited back to BlizzCon by Blizzard ANZ. So I'll be doing that in September, going back to America for BlizzCon. And then after that, this will probably be my only trip. I don't know if I'll go back for PAX. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'll go back to Australia for PAX. We'll see. If I do, there's going to be a lot of Pokemon content. Because I've recently gotten into Pokemon TCG, just ripping packs, opening it. And collecting is something that I want to do as well. Zabolus, thank you very much for the raid, my bro. Thank you very much for the massive raid, my bro. I hope you had a wonderful stream today. Hope you had a good one, my bro. Welcome to you and your community, brother. Kia ora, everybody. My name is Brox. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. We're kind of in our wind down period of the stream, but I'll show you what we've been doing. So this is what we've been up to here. So we've been carving this hay tiki here. This is a hay tiki. Now they are not normally this size, They are normally in a small pendant form. But with this piece that we've been doing, yeah, it's obviously a much larger scale, and they are normally named after our ancestors, and they represent fertility and protection as well. Fertility more if it's, if a wahine or a woman is wearing it. And one other thing too, this is made out of pine, this whole carving. Yeah, and they're normally smaller. And the difference with this one too, obviously being larger scale, it's double-sided too. So we've been carving two sides, working on that. And it's presented its challenges, I won't lie. It's presented a fair few amount of challenges, but nothing we can't get through for now. But welcome on through. If you have any questions about what I do, feel free to ask. We're in our chill out period of the stream now. So I'm no carver at all, but I'm a qualified joiner. And for my first carving, I accidentally done a whole manaya. Can I? Yeah, so exclamation mark Discord and jump into Discord. Send it through there, my bro, and then I'll check it out after the stream. So that's where that's exclamation mark Discord if anyone can do that. There it is. You go through and join that, my bro. And there's a art showcase section in there. And yeah, showcase your mahi, my bro. Chuck it in there and then I have a look. How did you do? How did you feel, my bro? Did you have a good time? The main thing, the main thing is that you enjoy it. Enjoy the process and the whole journey of it all as you progress too. Let me turn this other camera off. There we go. How we doing, guys? All good? So I'm just doing this tripod here. Let me put it away too. Just put it away real quick. Sorry guys, I knew I forgot to do something. I forgot to turn the bloody washing machine on. I haven't gone and tried to smash it out, just chip away. Yeah, just take your time, my bro. And go if I've kinda enjoyed all of it, bro. Pulled the timber out of an old house street. Oh yeah. And done it all by hand. So far not finished, but bro, loving the timber, the grains, how they run, the smells of the whole thing. Trying to get more into the communities around me. Aren't as inviting as it seems. Oh really? Oh, that's kind of stink. Whereabouts are you, my bro? One thing I will say, it can be really gatekeepy sometimes. It's just, you know, the odd people, the odd eggs that you might come across. In my opinion, bro, people that do that, it sucks. Doesn't help for anything. That's kind of rats they did that. Fuck, my kick chat just died. Hold up. Did we just DC? One moment. Bloody hoha thing, Hawke's Bay. Is there a wānanga around you at all, my bro? Surely there's a wānanga o Aotearoa around you somewhere. Yeah, that was bloody annoying. Bloody DC.